little artists. Today, we're drawing everyone's favorite little piggy, Peppa Pig. And do you know what Peppa loves the most? Yes, jumping in muddy puddles. Splash splash, let's get started. First, we draw a small circle. Can you guess what it's for? Yep, it's Peppa's piggy nose. Snort snort. Now, draw a short line down from the bottom of the circle, and a long line going right from the top. Curve it around, like we draw a circle. Join it to the short line. And there you have it, Peppa's face. Next, let's draw her cute little bunny ears on top. Not real bunny ears, just Peppa style ones. Time to give her a pretty red dress. Peppa always looks stylish. Then her thin arms and tiny hands, with 1, 2, 3 fingers. Now her legs and her big rain boots, ready for jumping in puddles. Let's draw a muddy puddle under her feet, and don't forget the mud splashes flying up. Time to add her face. 2 round eyes. We'll color them pink first and outline them in black later. That's our special trick to make the drawing pop. Add a black dot in each eye. Ready for the best part? Let's grab our black marker and do a nice thick outline. Wow, that already looks amazing. And guess what? Today we'll also do some inner lines. I'll show you how in just a bit. Now let's add her curly little tail, swirl swirl. Color time. Let's make her face, hands, ears, and legs, Peppa pink. Her dress, bright red, and the muddy puddle, super squishy brown, splat. Oopsie, did we forget to color her ears? Oh, let's color them pink quickly, they're tiny, so it won't take long. Now let's add her big smile, a wide dark pink grin and a little pink blush on her cheeks. Time to outline her eyes, carefully with black. Let's color her rain boots. Which color? Yellow, because yellow rain boots are the best. Don't forget her nostrils, just 2 little dots on her nose. Now here's our final magic trick. Let's add some inner lines using red and pink to make her look even more beautiful. Ta-da! It looks so nice now. What else? Oh yes, splash, splash. Peppa's done jumping in the puddles. Great job, little artists. Don't forget to give a big oink. And share your masterpiece with your friends. See you next time, bye.